On behalf of ExpertVillage, this is Paul Lewis, and today I'm going to give you some basic iClone Machinima filmmaking tips and techniques. She's right over Dr. Dribble, and his face is appearing right through her stomach. Now, if you're making a new version of the Alien movie, that would be suitable, but in this case it's not. So I'm going to click on Modify in the character section, and I'm just going to move her over by clicking this arrow here. And as you can see, I move her over to her own little space next to Dr. Dribble, and I'll scooch her back a little bit like that. All right, until I get her in the position that I want. And basically what I'm doing is I'm setting up my stage for my movie, okay? And with the tools up here, you know, I can move the whole scene around and move the characters around. All right, but again, I'm setting the stage for my little Machinima movie here. And that's the first thing you really want to do, is just set your stage, you know, with your set, your characters, and then you can move the cameras around anywhere you want.